Your DJI Osmo Pocket mic may be working fine, but that little blue LED light can sometimes be distracting. Many users don't know you can actually control it. Turning the light on or off takes just a quick setting change. Let's see how to do it right now. First, turn on your camera. Then make sure to connect your DJI wireless mic. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to bring the control center. Next, tap on the gear icon. After that, tap on wireless mic. Now scroll down slightly. Here you will see an option called LED. Just toggle it off. Now look at your mic. Here your blue light is turned off. If you want to turn it on, then toggle it back on. And that's it. This is how you can control the LED or blue light of your DJI wireless mic using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.